there, welcome to Ann Evolving. I'm excited to share with you my new haircut and my new hair color. If you follow my channel, you already know I love information about healthy hair. I love discovering it and I love sharing it because shiny, healthy hair makes me feel more youthful. It just makes me feel put together. We are aging, we're going to age, but I just want to take the edge off of it and evolve gracefully and to maintain my confidence. And so that's why I'm here for others as well to see how I overcome these hurdles or find solutions. And so for my hair, I love to find a good shampoo, a good hair oil, a good scalp cleanser, all of those things, because there's so many things that contribute to feeling like my most authentic self. And I don't know about you, but those things add up for me. So one thing at a time that I take care of at home. I do a lot of do-it-yourself at-home things. All of those things add up, and if I pay attention to each one on a regular basis, it helps me feel better through this process of, aging. So anyway, haircut. I went in and the lady was so nice, and she actually was a woman 50 years old, and so we visited the entire time about just things that we face, and hair and body and shape and diet and health and everything from sore knees and feet and legs to hemorrhoids. We covered the bases. It's just keeping it real. There's so many things people don't think of when you're a woman our age. But the beauty is we have gone through so much now that we're no longer inhibited about talking about it. So that's nice that we can just openly and freely talk about things, and that we understand each other and we really try and support each other and build each other up through all of these hurdles. So that was fun, just to be able to visit with her and be real and candid and talk about the things that we're facing and the things that she sees in her hairstylist job every day with women. I felt like I was talking to one of you. Had a wonderful visit with her for about 3 hours as she did balayage on my hair. Let me turn around and see if you can see. So balayage, as I understand it, is just kind of a very lightly blended highlight, but it doesn't start at the root. It starts further down and it's a little bit more subtle. And the reason I wanted that is because I color my roots. And if I did highlights and it started at the root, when I cover the gray, it would cover those highlights. If you followed me for any time here, you know that I do a lot of do-it-yourself at-home things. Balayage is what we did. It's the first time I've ever done it. I'm 59, and I really, really like it. I think it's very natural looking. She took a lot of weight off of my hair, and so I told her I wanted it to lift here and I wanted it to lift here. And she did like some razor cutting, and man, she went to town, and I still can't believe how much it feels so light, and I think it looks very healthy. So I'm interested in knowing what you think. Have you ever had balayage? Did you like it? Do you color your hair? I'm interested in all the things. But anyway, I just wanted to hop on and share that with you, and I'll see you in the next one.